Kumusta mga kabayan? The cold weather is definitely here. What could be more comforting than a hot bowl of soup? And speaking of soup, nothing beats tinolang manok with lots of ginger, malunggay leaves and papaya, and hint of patis for accent. Tara na at magpainit sa tinolang manok ni Grandpa D. We start by sauteing the garlic. I minced 1 head of garlic for full flavor. Add ginger, lots of ginger. This is what makes tinola taste like tinola. Then the onion. I used sweet yellow onion to balance the aroma. Now we add the chicken that's been seasoned with salt and pepper. We used bone-in chicken thighs because dark meat tastes better. We saute the chicken so that it absorbs the flavor of the aromatics. Continue until the chicken turns slightly golden brown. To accentuate the flavor, we season with patis, or you can add tinola mix or just plain salt if you wish. Let it stand for a few minutes before adding the water. Set it on high heat so it boils. Take out the scum because it's not good for our health. Simmer for about 30 minutes or till the chicken gets tender. Chicken is done. Now we can add the papaya. Eto na, ang tinolang manok ni Grandpa D. Maraming luya, may malunggay leaves at papaya pa. Napakasarap! Yung kanin at patis, naka-ready na ba? Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na!